Hi everybody, this is Oksana and today I have a fun package to open with you from Cabochon's for sale. Oops, I dropped a little card. So here is their Instagram name, and if you have never shopped on Instagram before, they will post some stones and you can like as individual little posts, and you can just comment on them and say like mine or sold, something like that. So it's a little bit of a different way to shop on Instagram, but it's really nice because Instagram allows for like little videos, and so I really like that when it comes to stones. I like seeing little videos of the stones. I find that that's really helpful for me. So I just cut this open, but I didn't take this out yet. I was waiting to do this with you guys on camera. So these are all my goodies. Let's dig in and check them all out one by one. Ooh, look how gorgeous. This stone is called Merlinite. It is also called Dendritic Opal, and it has white parts and these like translucent parts that you see, and then it has a little dendritic like bits growing, which oftentimes look like plants. That is so beautiful. So when you hold it to the light like this, you really can see them all. It's almost like you can see them inside, you know, it's like a little world inside. Really cool. All right, so, Labradorite. How can anybody not love this? One of the first stones I fell in love with. Labradorites are so fun because when the light hits them, my window's kind of over here, so I'm turning it towards my window, and when the light hits it, you can really see the color come out. So this is a good stone that you want to see a video for when you're buying it, because obviously when somebody takes a picture, you don't understand, if you've never seen one of these before, that it actually doesn't look like this always. It shifts color as you move it, so it's always nice to see a video for these types of stones. Alright, let's see what we got next. Oh, this is such a cool shape. You know, I don't think that I have ever worked with this type of shape before. Hexagon, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 6 sides, hexagon. And this is, let me think here, what is this called? I think it is called the Thunder Egg Stone is often what it's called. And there's another word too that I'm trying to think of right now that I can't. Oh, Septarian or Septarian. Really cool. A little bit of like a translucent part here, the yellow. So I'm excited to work with that shape. Let's see. Oh, a little tiny Chrysocolla. I think it's, actually, I think it is Chrysocolla with Malachite maybe? Or Azurite to Malachite? One of those. Really cute, little tiny baby. Hopefully you can see. I feel like I try to get close and then it like gets blurry, so I'm gonna hold it far away so you guys can have the best view. I got a new camera, so I'm still learning to use it properly. And this, of course, one of my other favorite stones besides Labradorite, is a peach moonstone, and sometimes peach moonstones can have really fun sparkles like this one. Look how beautiful that is. Really lovely. So sparkly. Alright, there's a lot more. Ooh, this is a charoite. purple charoite, and it's a nice dark purple this one is. They can be kind of different shades of purple. Really lovely stone. I love purple. And by the way, purple and teal are like my two favorite colors. Tiny little baby. It is a moonstone, right? Yes, rainbow moonstone. So this is another stone. If you're not familiar with rainbow moonstone, you probably want to make sure you see a video before you buy one, which is what Cabochons for Sale is really good for. They have videos of these stones instead of just pictures, so you can really see as it moves, you see the blue shine. That's what rainbow moonstones are known for. They could be a few different colors, but predominantly the blue, and then when the light's not shining, it looks white or clear. Next we have this beautiful agate. Looks like a door. Oh, how cool is that? Looks like a little door to a secret world. That's so cute. And then we have another Merlinite or Dendritic Opal. And this one's awesome too. Look at that. It's like a tree growing maybe. Really, really cool. And another one of these little agates. Let's check it out here. Does this also look like a door? Oh, it looks like you know when they like cut a tree and you see like all the little circles. This is almost like a little slice, you know, like not a cabochon where it's domed but see it's flat on both sides, like a little slice. And then, oh, this is so cool. You can already see through the bag. It's a Labradorite, but it is carved to look like an eye. How cool is that? You guys, that is so cool. That'll be a fun one. A real fun one to work with. Then we have some Lapis Lazuli, which generally tends to be really beautiful blue, and sometimes it has these little specks of like a golden color or like a charcoal color. Really lovely. I'm turning it towards my window so you can kind of see as the light hits it. And then the last one is a tiny little Labradorite. Let's see what color it is. Take your guess before I show you. It is a lovely, like an orange, then it goes into pink, and then purple. See that little bit of purple there? Really beautiful. So that's it. That's my whole haul from Cabochons for Sale. They were kind enough to send me this amazing package, and again, here's all their information. So thank you for watching this unboxing haul with me. I hope you had fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.